black-white residence wasn't built from scratch, but rather resurrected. The existing masonry shell of an old house became the foundation, a silent testament to the past. Here, the architects embraced the concept of ruins, weaving a story of new atop old. Their vision centered around light and openness, a stark contrast captured in the name itself, black and white. Glass temples, framed in black against a backdrop of white stucco, emerged from the first floor like modern interpretations of ancient Greek structures. These temples weren't dedicated to deities, but to light. Their clear walls served as apertures, lenses that drew in the surrounding landscape. Sunlight streamed through them during the day, bathing the interior in a warm glow. By night, the roles reversed. The house itself, illuminated, became a glowing beacon amidst the darkness. The design paid homage to the Acropolis, a famous citadel in Athens. Here, 4 glass temples arose from a white stucco platform, their sharp lines and geometric forms creating a sense of order amidst the organic flow of the natural world. A black core, like a winding ribbon, connected them all, weaving a continuous path throughout the residence. This core, sheathed in darkness, served as a counterpoint to the light-filled temples, further emphasizing the central theme. Windows played a crucial role in the experience. On the street facade, long, thin windows functioned like artistic frames, capturing the rhythmic dance of tree trunks as they swayed in the breeze. These windows offered a sense of privacy, filtering out the hustle and bustle of passing cars while still allowing a connection to the outside. Upstairs, larger glass volumes offered panoramic views, a breathtaking vista of the tree canopy merging with the endless blue sky. Towards the back of the house, a single glass volume sliced through the white plinth, creating a dramatic 2-story window. This window functioned like a portal, framing the view of the rear yard, blurring the lines between interior and exterior space. In this way, the black-white residence became an ever-evolving canvas, where nature and architecture intertwined to create a truly unique living experience.